So most traders think that watching a couple of YouTube videos and grinding on the chart will make them profitable. But the truth is, trading is a system. It's a system of carefully executed steps that have to be done in a specific way over a specific amount of time in order for things to work. And if you miss even one of these steps that I'm going to talk about in this video, it's highly unlikely you will see any notable success or progress in your personal trading. My name is Tradesharpe, and in today's video, I'm going to speak about exactly how you're going to improve in trading. So the first step is going to be actually implementing the right knowledge. There's so much knowledge online. We have an information overload when it comes to trading. People tell you do this strategy, do that strategy, and sometimes it can feel like too much. You may feel like you might not understand one strategy but understand another strategy, and that is key. You want to trade what you understand. Just because you don't understand something doesn't mean you're failed and doesn't mean that you need to. You want to trade things that you actually understand. You have to look at the traders who are delivering this knowledge. What type of background? If they are just posting profits but not showing you how they make these profits or how consistent these profits are, it's rarely going to help you succeed or reach somewhere you want to succeed. For me, I like to live trade on a daily basis to show how I trade over a long amount of time. We tend to feel we understand exactly what we just watched, and when we apply it, it simply doesn't work. And the reason is not because you don't know what you're doing or didn't understand, you just don't know when to apply it and how. And that's the biggest problem that we see, is learning how to implement knowledge. And that brings me into step number 2. Getting feedback from someone who's better than you will save you years. And I promise this, literally years. And the reason for this is because it's simply how humans work. You can find a group of friends that you started trading with, or maybe you have a friend who's traded before you, and gain feedback from them. Ask them to push you, send them charts, weekly get-togethers, join together on a call and share each other's trades and see how you could improve and hear each other's idea. You can even try find free communities, but be careful because there'll be so many conflicting ideas about how to get better. You can also join communities where there is someone who leads and someone experienced with a good background and reputable to give you feedback, just like the one I have. There are multiple ways, but doing this is really important. Getting better as a trader is way easier when you're surrounded by like-minded people who are on the same path and looking for the same goal, and as well both looking to improve. It makes the process less toxic because you have less people trying to conflict your own ideas and more people trying to help you to get where you want to be. You never find someone hating on someone when they're trying to do their best and that same person is trying to do their best. It ends up becoming something where you both push towards your goal, and being in an environment where you have that just equals success. Step number 3 is you want to track progress and then share that progress amongst others, because we're human. Have you ever played a game when you're younger and you're playing with someone and all you want to do is impress them? That's how we are designed, and that's exactly why I created this community called the Tradesharpe exclusive group, because this essentially puts all of those steps into one place and condenses people into a like-minded environment. And for me, on my side, it pushes me to do better because I want to see other people do better, as well as impress them of what I can do, because that's just how humans are wired. So it's a win-win situation where you have all resources in one place and you can get better, as well as be in an environment that just screams growth and actually gets results like we've been seeing from the members in there. And really, it can be simple as that. So you have two choices. You can take all the information from this video plus my free content on my channel and go out there and try your best to improve, and I do believe you'll see improvement. Or you can join us and just have everything sped up really fast so you can actually spend more time focusing on improving, not trying to find what's the next thing you need to do. Both options are viable. One takes longer, one is shorter and more focused. The choice is yours. Hopefully this video has helped and given you some clarity of how to actually improve and what steps to take. You can literally go grab that group of friends. You can take whatever action, but action needs to be taken to actually see improvement. So hopefully this video has helped. With that being said, take care, trade sharp, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.